here we have an Elan M100 SE Turbo. Please ignore the exhaust blow, it's the middle pipe towards the back end. We've got one on orders, just arrived, and we'll be fitting it shortly. So please ignore the little chuff on the exhaust there. Alloy wheels in nice condition, Yokohama tyres. Last owners had the car for 21 years in Pacific Blue. New leather seat covers. 65,000 miles, and there is a lot of history with the car. It will be having a brand new hood fitted before it goes out to its new owner. As you'd expect for the age. Gentleman moved house, which is the reason for coming up for sale. And he no longer has storage space for the car. The TUS number plate is staying on the car. And mechanically she's very good. Available for viewing through Alan White Sports Cars 01234 750 205. And thank you for watching.